For ANCAP, this partnership approach is really important because we're so far away from the rest of the world. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to come together, meet with our colleagues and counterparts from around the world all in one place, get the latest information, find out what they've been up to and learn from each other so that we can all work towards Vision Zero. ANCAP is absolutely thrilled to have been recognised for over 31 years of continued consumer advocacy, and we're excited to be recognised in this way because we've taken an approach at ANCAP of always pushing forward with consumer advocacy and communications, and the technical results that we generate from the research and the work and the testing that we do must be communicated. Otherwise, if we keep them to ourselves, they're of no value. So we place an equal emphasis on doing the work, doing the testing, and also communicating those results and working with stakeholders, from private and business consumers through to governments to ensure that everyone's aware of the benefits of a safer vehicle.